Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is lecture number 2 of verification and validation. Outline of the topic include introduction, definitions, key difference, verification versus validation. First of all, introduction. In coming days, we are having a discussion on an article about V model. In the V model, software development life cycle based on requirement specification document, the development and testing activities started. The V model is also called as verification and validation model. The testing activity is performed in each phase of software testing life cycle. In the first half of the model, validations testing activity is integrated in each phase like review user requirements, system design document, and in the next half the verification testing activity is some in picture. In interviews, most of the interviews are asking question on what is the difference between verification and validation. Lots of people use verification and validation interchangeably, but both have different meanings. So in this article, I am adding few differences about verification and validation. Definition 1 and 2. Verification is a test of a system to prove that it meets all its specified requirements at a particular stage of its development. Or, verification is a process of checking documents, design, code, and program in order to check if the software has been built accordingly to the requirements or not. The main goal of verification process is to ensure quality of software application, design, architecture, etc. The verification process involves activities like reviews, walkthroughs, and inspections. The next definition is verification is the process of evaluating software to determine whether the products of a given development phase satisfy the conditions imposed at the start of the phase, or verification is a static practice of verifying documents, design code, and program. It includes all the activities associated with producing high quality software, inspection, design analysis, and specification analysis. It is a relatively objective process. Next definition of verification. Verification will help to determine whether the software is of high quality, but it will not ensure that the system is useful. Or, verification is concerned with whether the system is well engineered and error free. Or, verification is the process of checking that the software meets the specification. Did I build what I need? Verification is the process of checking that a software achieves its goal without any bugs. It is the process to ensure whether the product that is developed is right or not. It verifies whether the developed product fulfills the requirement that we have. Or, verification means, are we building the product right? Okay, the definitions of validation. Validation, on the other hand, is quite different and serves a very different purpose. The definition of validation according to IEEE are: validation is an activity that ensures that an end product stakeholders' true needs and expectations are met. Or validation is a dynamic mechanism of testing and validating if the software products actually meet the exact needs of the customer or not. The process helps to ensure that the software fulfills the desired use in an appropriate environment. The validation process involves activities like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Validation is the process of evaluating software during or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies specified requirements. Or validation is the process of evaluating the final product to check whether the software meets the customer expectations and requirements. It is a dynamic mechanism of validating and testing the actual product. Fifth definition of validation is: validation is the process of checking whether the specification captures the customer's need. Did I build what I said I would? Validation is the process of checking whether the software product is up to mark, or in the other words, product has high level requirements. It is the process of checking the validation of product, that is, it checks what we are developing is the right product. It is validation of actual and expected product. Or validation means, are we building the right product? Key difference. Verification process includes checking of documents, design, code and program, whereas validation process include testing and validation of the actual product. Verification does not involve code execution, while validation involves code execution. Verification uses methods like reviews, walkthroughs, inspections, and desk checking, whereas validation uses methods like black box testing, white box testing, and non functional testing. Verification checks whether the software confirms the specification, whereas validation checks whether the software meets the requirements and expectations. Verification finds the bugs early in the development cycle, whereas the validation finds the bugs that verification cannot catch. Verification processes targets on software architecture, design, database, etc., while validation process targets the actual software product. Verification is done by the QA team, while validation is done by the involvement of testing team with QA team. Verification process comes before validation, verification process comes before validation, whereas validation process comes after verification. Verification versus validation. It involves all the static testing techniques, and validation includes all the dynamic testing techniques. Examples of verification include review, inspection, and walkthrough. Examples of validation include all types of testing like smoke, regression, functional systems, and UAT. Requirement verification involves a review of the requirements, while in validation, prepare the test requirements documents, test cases, and other test specifications to analyze the test result. Design verification involves review of all the design documents including the HLD and LDD. And in validation, evaluate that these test requirements, test cases, and other specifications reflect the requirements and is fit for use. In validation, code verification includes code review, and in validation, test for boundary values, stress, and the functionalities. Documentation verification is the verification of user manuals and other related documents. In validation, test for error messages, and in case of any error, the application is terminated gracefully. Tests that the software meets the business requirements and is fit for use. Performing peer reviews and validation validate that the products or its components are suitable for the environment. Verification verified the selected work products, while in validation process is being implemented, it is monitored and controlled. In verification process, standardize a definite process by establishing organizational level policies for planning and doing reviews. And in validation, do lessons learned activities and collect improvements information. Institutionalize a definite process. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture, and please also share the summary what you have learned from this lecture in comment box. Allah Hafiz.